ex nihilo nihil fit. Yet juridical prudence dictates otherwise. Meaning, nothing comes from nothing. But legal wisdom suggests that something can come from nothing. Ex nihilo nihil fit. Is there any good news that can come from Nazareth? Is there any good thing that can come from Nazareth? The neighboring society and towns know that Nazareth was full of poor people, so nothing good can come from these people. But in the intricate web of life and the infinite wisdom of God, that was the exact place that the Messiah originated. He came from Nazareth. I don't necessarily know your family background, whether you originated from a poor family, a rich family, a family full of intellectuals, or whatever that it may be. Let me tell you, if you originated from a family that has nothing to write home about, I am telling you that something can come from nothing, since legal and juridical prudence dictates otherwise. You might not be somebody today, but something can come out of you, something better. If nobody had ever been rich in your family, I can assure you that you could be the point of contact to which God will use to transform the poverty patterns encoded within your bloodline. God can exempt you and make you an extraordinary, though maybe you are going through a lot. But since Joseph had nothing to write about, but yet God, in his infinite wisdom, exempted him from his family. He went through a lot in the hands of Potiphar's wife. In the later round, he went to prisons. But when he came out, he became the prime minister of Egypt. That is how life is all about. And that is how nature could be. Though it is written and believed that nothing comes from nothing. Because once you have nothing, there's nothing good that can come out of you. But in the judicial wisdom, in the legal wisdom, it suggests that something can come from nothing. So you could be the one that God will use to bless you. You could be the one that God will use to transform your society, your country, and your family at large. Something very important, vital, could come out of you. So don't lose hope. Believe in your dreams. If nobody had ever been married in your family, you'll be a point of contact. You will be the one that God will use to set a record in your family. If you have never given birth, if nobody in your family had ever become somebody in life, you will certainly be the one that God will use to bless and touch and transform the life of so many people. So, what I will tell you is that there is a saying, ex nihilo nihil fit, yet juridical prudence dictates otherwise. Indeed, something will surely come out of you. And that very thing, your family, your society, is going to be beneficial of whatever good thing that God will extract out of you. God bless you. Stay calm. Stay focused. There's something that God has prepared for you. God bless you. Now, Mishra, the person who will say, "Enti so, bibi pa ebetime free Nazareth abana. Nazareth you cry, na obia mukru. If we say, omo na ben kro hu nyina na ye hiafo kro. Nenso amamwasem ne se, ho na owura na owodi owiase. no owo tumi no Yahushua de dodo na friend Kristo no ehɔ no ko free ye e kire sɛ na nkanyansa mu ni nimdie mu de obi anim sɛ onipa a oni hwe de enkade no betimi de ama efi sɛ kwatere kwase obema wontuma enkatie ni din sɛ obi ni bia na sɛ wo hye oba ebɛyɛ den na saa nipa yi atimi aboa nanso mu masua ene mranim a kire sɛ baabia bibi nie no bibi betimi afiri waba enti amfa wo sɛ de wote sɛ wo fira abusua hia wom nkontonkyini no me sɛ wo brɛ wa abrabom no ene nkire sɛ eno ye wawiye abusua bibi ni mu no no kwasɛm sɛ bibi papa betimi afiri mu aba ebia na ne uni hwe ebia na abusua to atwene abusua kora hwehwew abusua ni bia ni wa ofafo nkora mpo frɛw na wo hwɛ sɛ de hu sitie ɛyɛ wo nko ana wonam abrabom ukukuru no wahwe ase eduru mire bia na ode ayesu na de ayabranabo eduru mire bi so ana wahye hu nkora saa ne te biribi pa ebetimi afiri Nazareth aba enti mu aba mu na biribi pa bi wo ha awurade ahyehya ma ebetimi apie afiri mu bia na mabusua mu bi ware da wona obey nipa kan a obeware bia na obi nya akra $100,000 da ewa abusua no nanso no kwasam ne sɛ wo ɛna obey nipa kan a awurade be yusu ɛde wanya sika ewa abusua no bia na wonsi fie da usu be si fie ni bi o plot na watɔ no kwasam sɛ sɛ wuti manum asɛm yi a me kan dia usu be si fie ba bia wasi dan na ma na kodu no kwasam sɛ obɛtoa so ɛnka hoda didi efiri sɛ emranimfo sɛ ba bia bibi nie bibi betime firi waba na yishira